On iPhone, WhatsApp voice message files are stored within the phone's internal storage and are not directly accessible. Now, however, you can still access them in a few ways. So, first of all, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where the voice message was sent. Now, here you can see a voice message option available. Now, all I have to do is long press on it, and there you will get to see a drop down menu appear on your screen. From the drop down menu, tap on the forward option available there. Then tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, tap on the save to files and save this to file. Now, as you can see, iPhone asks you where you can replace it on your files. You can simply choose any folder you want to place this voice message to. And once done, all you have to do is go back to the home screen of the iPhone and look for the File app and simply tap on it. Now, as you can see, I saved my file previously on iCloud Drive and here I can access it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.